Hi, and welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa. I am the Crafty Author, and welcome to my quilting room. Today is Sewing Talk Tuesday. What is Sewing Talk Tuesday, you ask? It's where we get together and we recap our projects that we're working on or things that we've purchased for the craft room, sewing room, quilting room, anything we feel like sharing. So this week, I want to kind of go through and recap what we did last week. So we are currently working on our t-shirt quilt, and we sandwiched it and put it together and sewed our lines across last week on our t-shirts. So we're quilting them at this point. I will be honest, I have not finished quilting all of mine yet, but I will need to for Friday. Because on Friday, what we will be doing is cutting the strips for our shirts so that we can start attaching them using the quilt as you go method. So this method is going to go by pretty quickly. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to add a border to the quilt. I might, and when I do, or if I do, I will definitely show you how I do that using quilt as you go as well with the strips and yes, it's fun. So we're going to do that. So there's a lot of exciting things coming for the channel, and I just want to throw that out there. I can't really talk about it right now, but there are exciting things coming, and I think you're going to love it. So I want to show you some things that I did pick up for the craft room and for sewing. So this box that I actually have here came from Madame Sew. And if you haven't ordered anything from Madame Sew, you should. I have. I've ordered a few things, and I'm very happy with the things that I have ordered. So I saw this on their site, this precision iron. And it is this little iron. I haven't even opened it yet. It's sealed in the box. So let me cut this open really quick. Need my little X-Acto knife here. Show you what's in here, because there's not a picture of it on the box. So I have a lot of mini irons, but I don't have one like this. And this one is made specially for seams. So when you're working with small seams, then you can just press them open or press them to one way. But sometimes I like to press my seams open. And so that's what I got this for. And this little iron comes with this cute little like flower stand. Okay, let me figure it out first. Oh my goodness, I'm going to have to play with this because I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, maybe it sits like that. Yes, like that. Okay, I figured it out. It's really not that difficult. It really isn't. It's just user error. Okay, we're going to pretend like that never happened, okay? Anyway, so that's what that is. And then it comes with a little screwdriver as well. So that's what I got this for, was for pressing smaller seams. And it has instructions, so I would recommend reading the instructions and just not taking my word for it. So, can't wait to play with this, my new toy. Then I purchased some of these glass head pins. They look like that. So for the glass head pins, when you're using glass pins, you can actually iron over them. Whereas when you're using like the plastic pins, you really can't. And the little cute ones that I have with the buttons on them and stuff, those are plastic. So I thought it would be nice to have some that I could actually, you know, when I'm doing things, I can actually iron over them without melting them. Yeah. And then I finally broke down and bought myself a wool pressing mat. And I cannot wait to use this, especially when piecing like charm squares when sewing those together or doing pinwheels. This is going to help me to get those pinwheels nice and flat. So I'm excited about that. Then today I went to my favorite store of all time. So, and that would be my local sewing store that's just right up the street. I just love going in there and looking around and hanging around and whatnot. Anyway, so I bought some of this cork. Isn't that cool? So this is for embroidery and sewing. I got this because I want to make some hand sanitizer little pouches, and so I can do a project in the hoop, and I'm probably going to try and do a tutorial on this so you guys can see how this is done. But I just thought it would be kind of fun to do, and I thought it would be fun to do with cork. So that's what I'm going to do. And I also purchased some vinyl. This is embroidery vinyl. This is the Kimber Bell brand. This is what that looks like. And I think you get 2 of each, but I'm not sure. Oh, you get 8 6x12 sheets, 2 of each 12 gauge vinyl. So it has peach tea, taffy, gumdrop, and grape. Those are the colors in here. They're really, really cute. These are some of the little bags and stuff on the back. Cute, cute, cute. Same here. This one is green. And this one has the colors in fresh mint, spearmint, gummy bear, Hawaiian ice. And these are some of the projects it looks like that were made with that. So those are my great finds that I found for the week. I'm still working on, like I said, our t-shirt quilt. I need to get those all sewn up, get them all quilted, sandwiched, the whole 9 yards. But I just have not been able to get to it today or this week, to be honest. And then I did get commissioned to make another bag. So one like the Rainbow Bright bag that I showed you. So that one is going to be done in pink camo. I have also put some scraps in my Etsy shop, so craftyauthor.com. If you're looking for some flannel scraps, not flannel scraps, I am sorry, fleece scraps. I have quite a few fleece scraps. I have 2 boxes full in my Etsy shop of those. So if you're looking for scraps, be sure to check that out. I also have rag quilts that are in there for sale, and then I also have the coin purses that I showed you before. The Harry Potter, the Captain America, and then the sunflower coin purses. Those are all in the Etsy shop. So make sure that you go over and take a look at those if you're interested in any of them. I have quite a few quilt kits left for, I think, Sunbonnet Sue and Overall Sam in there, which they are so cute as table toppers. I still have mine on my dining room table. I have my orchid sitting on top of it. It looks adorable. So yes, make sure that you head on over there and check that out. I know you've all seen this little guy. He sits kind of in the background, and what I want to do with him is I want to put my logo on his belly. It'd be really cute. I have to get that design digitized first though. But I am thinking about doing a tutorial on how to do the buddies, how to hoop them, and then embroider them. So I have actually 2 projects that we can do after the t-shirt quilt is finished. So let me know down below in the description box which one you would rather see. Would you want to watch me do the hooping and the embroidery on this guy, or do you want me to do the gnome pattern that I had purchased a while back because I still need to make that gnome. I still have the fur, the fabric, and everything. So I haven't done that one yet. So which one would you want to see, the rabbit or the gnome? Let me know down below in the description box. So, well, that is going to conclude today. So if you'd like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If we can try and get that up to 200 likes, that would be awesome. And don't forget to click that little bell. You'll get notified each and every time that I upload an awesomely cool new video. And keep on crafting. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.